Egget. The Norwegian company HuKi has introduced a pilot version of the new innovative technology called Egget for industrial salmon farming. It's a completely enclosed system with a hull made from a composite and polymer mixture. The egg-shaped tank design deflects external forces and forms a sturdy geometric structure. A dome on it prevents waves from entering inside. Moreover, it provides a secure and safe area for the workforce. 90% of the tank is submerged underwater and is not visible during operation. The remaining 10% is above water and is meant for air ventilation within the system. The technology features separate water inflow and outflow. Waste, including fecal material, is collected in a specialized reservoir, subsequently processed. Water inlets and outlets have dual protection, preventing fish escape and ensuring reliable protection against predators. Clone Hand XVI. The first thing people notice when they see this robotic hand is how much it resembles a real human hand. The Clone Hand 16 robotic hand surpasses all similar devices in this aspect. The robotic hand has 27 degrees of freedom, including all thumb joints, giving it an even closer resemblance to a human hand. The way it holds objects, a tennis ball, a saw, a medicine bottle, a dumbbell, and even a drill, is so natural that it truly blows the mind. The robotic clone hand is just a part of the world's first biometric android with human-level heads, which specialists from Clone Robotics are currently working on. The device is equipped with a state-of-the-art batch of 36 waterproof electro-hydraulic valves with pressure sensors. According to the developers, this is the strongest, fastest, and most durable hand clone in the working load of 15 pounds in a response time of 50 to 100 milliseconds. The VM45. The foreign company Katanga has introduced a unique motorized velomobile, the VM45, which can reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour. As of today, this is a record for such vehicles. The velomobile's body is made from a composite material weighing 174 pounds. The VM45 can carry loads up to 266 pounds, and its cargo capacity is 92 gallons. The transmission includes 7 speeds, automatic gear shifting, and a 750-watt electric motor. The VM45 also features front and rear lighting systems and dual side monitors. It is powered by a 1240-watt Arrow lithium-ion battery, which should be sufficient for a range of 158 miles. There will also be a model available without monitor. It is expected that the price of the non-motorized version will be around $12,108, while the motorized version will cost apparently $14,310. Colas Technology. The French company Colas has invented and implemented an innovative road marking consisting of LED panels. As a pedestrian approaches, such as signs, special sensors activated, enhancing the visibility of the marking during nighttime and cloudy weather. The panels are removable. They can be easily disassembled and installed in another location. The entire system is designed for long-term use and can withstand heat, cold, as well as the mechanical load of passing vehicles. The brightness and other parameters of the LEDs can be adjusted through a special smartphone application. Colas technology has already been successfully tested in various locations in France and has sparked the interest of governments in many European countries. Deeper Drone. A drone that can drive from a height of 490 feet at a speed of 18 miles per hour. To achieve this, the drone folds its wing in the air and, like a cormorant, plunges downward. This design helps reduce resistance while moving underwater. The Deeper can swim for 10 minutes at a speed of 6 miles per hour. Furthermore, a unique feature of this innovative drone is that it uses a single engine for both aerial and propeller propulsion. After underwater navigation, the UAV resurfaces spread its wing, and takes up from the water surface. Swift transition between the propellers is made possible by a unique coupling system, for which there are no analogs in the world. Helicopter landing pad. Introducing the most advanced, secure, and powerful helicopter pad ever created. The device features foldable side edges and takes up minimal space in the hangar. Another great feature is its reliability, minimal and maintenance cost. The pad does not rely on hydraulics, pumps, or tubes that could potentially leak. The device is powered by a bore screw that requires no maintenance throughout its operational life. Due to the absence of oil and other technical fluids that could freeze, the pad can be used even in severe cold weather conditions. The LifePack suitcase. Soul God Company has come with the LifePack suitcase, which transforms into a wardrobe with shelves thanks to the portable closet concept. A person can effortlessly find the items needed. Moreover, this transform bag can be taken on the airplane as carry-on luggage, allowing you to save on baggage fees. A distinctive feature of the suitcase is the built-in rack consisting of 6 vertically arranged pockets. Upon reaching the hotel, it's as simple as detaching the shelving system from the luggage and attaching it to an extended pull-up bracket. And voila! A portable wardrobe is ready. It's worth noting that the manufacturer recommends filling each shelf only up to 70% to ensure that the items fit in the suitcase when compressed. Super Type. A team of researchers from Virginia has developed Super Type with a strength 60 times greater than standard tape. On regular tape, they cut U-shaped slit. The tape easily comes off if you pull it towards the button of the U, but pulling it towards the top increases its thickness by 60 times. This phenomenon occurs because the direction of force application to the adhesive layer changes. It either stretches or compresses. The experiment showed that the boxes sealed with this Super Type can withstand exceptionally heavy loads. It can also be used to conveniently attach temporary wearable devices, making them easy to remove later. Solar Power Barbecue. The eco-friendly grill that allows cooking solely using solar energy. The core component of the system is a detachable panel with mirrors, spanning an area of 62 square feet, which collects sunlight and concentrates it at a single point. You've probably tried to start fire using a magnifying glass before. Well, this is the same principle, just on a larger scale. Through this focusing, the temperature at a specific point rises to a temperature and high enough for cooking meals, much like on a regular grill. This solution aims to reduce the consumption of natural fuel used to power the drill and amount of harmful emissions released into the atmosphere during its combustion. This invention is particularly relevant for the third world countries where millions of people live without access to electricity and natural fuel resources. Chefman Mini Fridge. The Chefman mini fridge can not only cool items down to 44 degrees Fahrenheit, but also heat them up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4-liter device measures 5 by 5 7.7 and includes a removable shelf for storing small items. The fridge is eco-friendly, free from the freon, and easily plugs in the standard home outlet or a 12-volt car charger. You can take it anywhere, to work, fishing, on a trip, or on a picnic. The fridge also features a chalkboard door for writing notes or simply doodling for fun.